So I'm done with my experiment. I need to clean up. So what should I do? I've got my flask with all my reaction mixture in it, and I need to put it someplace into the waste because it can't go down the sink. So what I'm going to do, I got my large beaker that should be labeled waste. I'm going to pour it in there, and I need to rinse it out before I wash it in the sink. So when I rinse, I'm going to take my squirt bottle of DI water, and I'm just going to squirt a little tiny bit, see, not very much, around the side, and I'm going to do that 3 times. And by the 3rd time, you can see that doesn't have any color left. I've gotten rid of everything, and that's gone in my waste. And I'm going to do that with all the glassware that I need to clean. And then I'm going to take my waste, and I'm going to come over here. I'm going to make sure that the waste bottle has on the label the things that are in my beaker. And I'm going to carefully pour it in there so that it does not go down the sides, down the outside of the waste jug. And make sure I cap the waste jug. Whoop, forgot one thing. I want to rinse my waste beaker into the waste. And again, I want to take a squirt bottle, squirt a little bit of water in there, just a very, very tiny bit. You want to make sure you're using just a very tiny bit, because when you use a lot, it fills our waste jug up very quickly and is not so good for our environment. And then we want to make sure we cap that. Once we've rinsed everything out, we can bring it over to our sink. At our sink, we have a squirt bottle of soap that we can use. Squirt a little bit in there. Next to the sink, in the drawer labeled cleaning supplies, we have some brushes, a sponge if we need it, but I probably want a brush. And we're just going to use that to spread that soap around on the inside and the outside. We're going to rinse it first with regular water. And again, we don't need too much. And then either with your squirt bottle or with the tap, rinse it with a small amount of DI water. And then you're going to put it back in your bin. And it's a good idea if you leave it upside down in your bin. And you're going to do the same thing with your waste beaker. It doesn't take a lot of water to clean things up. And we want to minimize our waste by using just small amounts of water. And we can put our brush back in the drawer. And that's it.